So did Grand Design hit the bullseye, or were they off target with the new Imagine AIM? We're gonna take a look specifically at the 15BH floor plan, and we'll let you know. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's go take a look. So the RV industry has seen a big boom in the single axle, small footprint segment. And I gotta say, Grand Design hit the bullseye on this one. Coming in at under 4,000 pounds in a 15-foot floor plan with 900 pounds of carrying capacity. They did a great job with this design. So designing RVs, it takes a lot. We all want everything for just a little bit of money, right? Well, Grand Design hit bullseye on this. To keep the price point in the upper 20s, you're still getting key features like the solar panel on the roof, the ladder on the back so you can get up there and check out some things for your routine maintenance. But what I love about this camper, they really hit big bullseye on this. Look at all this freaking storage. You are going to be able to bring anything that you can think of, your tabletops up for the patio side, your extra chairs, anything. This is enormous for this little footprint trailer. Good job, Grand Design. All right, so kudos to Grand Design hitting a bullseye on this one. In that price point, not giving up any little features. They maintain this wonderful service area. You've got your water hookups, you've got your battery disconnect, your wash station, everything at your fingertips. All right, so we're inside the 15BH Grand Design Imagine AIM. Bullseye, period, for the inside, but you gotta talk about this front kitchen. Lordy, lordy, I'm telling you, they hit the mark really well. If you're a camper, you know you need storage, you need surface area, etc., etc. This kitchen spans from one side to the next, and we have all this storage above and below. But as you've seen in my other videos, I love to eat. And you gotta bring food with you, right? Not only do we have a refrigerator, but heck, we even have a little pull-out freezer. I'm telling you, bullseye on this front kitchen. All right, sleeping. I think Grand Design's a little off target with this. I mean, we do have 3 separate sleeping areas, but this floor plan to me just kind of speaks volumes for like a couple's floor plan, right? Especially with that front kitchen and all that storage and stuff on the outside, any of those outdoor enthusiasts. But needless to say, if you got extra buddies going with you, the booth lays down into a bed, you've got the queen bed, and you got the overhead bunk bed. But I will say, at least they did this. You don't need it, get it up out of the way. Guys and gals, I'm 6'1", I'm sleeping comfortably in this. Good night. Bullseye on the bathroom. I gotta say, in these small footprint trailers, something's gotta go, something is sacrificed, but Grand Design did a great job. I still got a full-on shower. I've got the toilet to do my business, and I still get a sink to wash up before I go to bed. All right, so that wraps it up. The Grand Design Imagine AIM 15BH. Did it hit the bullseye for you, or was it off target? Comment below and let us know. But don't forget to like the video, show us some love, and to smash that subscribe button so you can get some more stuff from us. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you next time.